So, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about types of typefaces in typography. So here the definitions of typefaces. So what are the typefaces? Typefaces refers to the specific designs or styles of fonts used to display text on digital interfaces. So மெயினா வந்து ஒரு விஷயத்தை என்னன்னா ஸ்டைல் ஒரு வெப் பேஜ்ல எப்படிலாம் ஸ்டைல் பண்றோம், ஒரு வெப்போ இல்ல மொபைல் டு ஆப்லயோ எப்படி டிசைன் பண்றோம், எப்படி ஸ்டைல் பண்றோம், ஃபாண்ட் எப்படி இன்க்ளூட் பண்றோங்கிறது தான் வந்து டைப் ஃபேஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது ஒரு மீனிங். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் ரெஃபர் டு தி ஸ்பெஷல் டிசைன்ஸ் ஆர் ஸ்டைல்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃபாண்ட்ஸ் யூஸ்ட் டு டிஸ்பிளே தி டெக்ஸ்ட் ஆன் டிஜிட்டல் இன்டர்ஃபேசஸ். So next one is typeface is a collection of characters. It is a collection of characters, including letters, numbers, punctuation marks, and symbols that shares a consistent visual design. So we having a typeface is nothing but collection of all the characters. Okay, so term typeface is often used interchangeably with font, but there is a technician distinction. So the typeface is a overall design, while a font is a specific instance or variations of that design, such as a particular size or weight. So definitions of typeface. Here the types of typefaces. So here the sans font, serif fonts, sans serif fonts, monospaced font, display fonts, script fonts, handwriting fonts, condensed fonts, variable fonts, web fonts, and system fonts. So these are the various fonts which is used to design for the with the help of the typefaces. So first one is serif font. Serif font அப்படின்னா it is a traditional serif, modern serif ன்னு ரெண்டு இருக்கு. So we having a two serifs. One is traditional serif, that is a tiny ornamental strokes, that is it is extremities of characters jaw. So best example வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டைம்ஸ் நியூ ரோமன்ஸும் கார்ஜியாவும் தான் வந்து best examples we will tell. So modern serifs வந்து என்னன்னா compared to conventional serifs, there are the more sophisticated and have a less decorations, that is bordering and didot are the two instances. So வந்து font size வந்து font size ஓ font style ஓ இது பண்றது தான் வந்து we have a typefaces னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Next one is sans serif font. Grostic, constantly wide strokes that are bold and uncompactability. Arial and Elevita are the two examples. So humanistics வந்துட்டு wider stroke with more organic and focused on human conditions. Verdana and Gill Sans are the two examples. So geometric வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா usually featured a simple design based on geometric shapes. Avant-garde and Futura are the two examples. So monospaced fonts வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the characters have the same amount of horizontal space. They can be used in computer internally coding. So Consolas and Courier New are the two examples for the monospaced fonts. So next one is the display fonts. So display fonts is nothing but Lobster and Impact are the two best examples. Whereas large text headline should employ the bold and attractive fonts. Say the extended paragraphs don't work well with the certain typefaces. So next one is a script fonts. So the script font is nothing but emulate the handwriting to give the designed, redefined, individualized touch. The Pacifico brush script are the two examples. So handwriting fonts, the reassemble the casuals, natural handwriting, and add a friendly, approachable feel to interfaces. Example on the Comic Sans and Market Felt. So next one is smaller font. So Oswald and Oswald and Compacta is the best examples. Here we having a horizontal space with a thin and compact. In the thin and compact is at the premium. So next one is variable fonts. Variable font is nothing but weight, width, and slant in the single font file. They offers responsiveness and design versatility. Next one is web fonts. Web fonts is nothing but we use the guaranteeing the quick loading times and browsing and device compatibility. So there are the examples is Adobe Typekit and Google Fonts are the best examples for the web fonts. Next one is system font. System font is nothing but we having a Mac OS or Arial and Times New on Windows. So they build these specific operating systems, built-in default typefaces for the specific operating systems. So here types of typography. So that is a terminology: font type, typeface, serif, sans serif, beginning point, caps height. So font type is nothing but the general layout or aesthetic of the group of characters, symbols, such as symbols, numbers, letters. Typeface the particular example or version of typeface complete with weight, style, and size. Serif a tiny ornamental stroke or line that typefaces characters that have a ends and end at the ends of them. Sans serif. The fonts devoid of the serifs or ornamental strokes. Beginning point, a constant base for alignment that acts as an invisible line for characters to sit on. Caps height, the distance between capital letter and baseline. So X height, the height of the lower case letters, excluding ascenders and descenders relative to the baseline. Leading, the vertical space between the line of the text. Kerning, the adjustment of the space between the individual characters. The tracking, the overall adjustment of the space between the characters in the block of text. Hierarchy, the arrangement and presentations of the text to convey the relative importance. Alignment, the position of the related texting to the page or a container. So line length, the horizontal length of the text. Responsive typography and time scales, the system of propagations for the determining and maintaining the consistent font size in a design. The adapting typography to different screen size and resolutions for the optimal readability. So the that's all about the type space of the types and terminology.